Hello everyone, welcome to day 14 of SAT Math Prep. Today's question says if y equals ax squared plus bx plus c passes through the points, these 3 points, negative 3, 10, 0, 1, 2, 15, what's the value of a plus b plus c? Now, this y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is the formula of a quadratic equation. All right, so just keep that in mind. Ax squared plus bx plus c, that's a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has roots. All right, so now this quadratic equation passes through these 3 points. What's the value of a, b, and c? All right, so now let's look at these points. So we can call this, of course, this is xy, 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 right? Now for each of these points, let's slot them into the equation, right? In this first case, for example, x is negative 3 and y is 10, right? So we have 10 equals a negative 3 squared plus b negative 3 plus c, right? So that becomes 10 equals 9a negative 3b plus c, right? That's the first one. All right, let's do the next one. 0, 1. All right, x is 0 and y is 1. All right, so y equals 1. So we have, so let's call this equation 1. Okay, then we have 1 equals a 0 squared, remember x is 0, right, plus b 0 plus c. This gives us something easy because this is 0, this is 0, c equals 1. Boom, right? So we already know what c is, 1. Remember, we're trying to add a, b, and c, but we already have c, so we're making progress, right? The third one, 2, 15, right? So this is our equation 2, okay? So the third equation, 2, 15, x is 2, y is 15. So we have 15 equals a 2 squared plus b 2 plus c. Okay, so we have 15 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. Remember, c is what? 1, right? We can just put that here. So this means that 4a plus 2b equals 14. All right, then we already have here, we already have 1 here, right? So we can just form equation 1, right? So we can change this to 1, right? So this becomes c equals 1 because we know c is 1 from here, right? So here we have that 9a negative 3b equals what? 10 minus 1, which gives you 9. All right, so what does that give you? It gives you a simultaneous equation or a system of linear equations that you can solve. All right, so we could use the elimination method or the substitution method, whatever method you're familiar with to solve a system of simultaneous equations. So what I can do here is multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. Okay, so what happens here now? That becomes 3 times 4, 12a plus 6b equals to 42. Then 2 times 9, 18a negative 6b equals to 18, 9 times 2. Okay, now if I add both equations, 12a plus 18a is 30a. All right, plus 6b minus 6b is 0. So b is eliminated. 42 plus 18 is 60. All right, so 30a is 60. That means a is what? 60 divided by 30, which is 2. So we already have a, we have c, we just need to find b. B is easy. We just slot the value of a into any of these equations. All right, so let's use maybe the first one, for example. So we already know a is 2. So 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 plus 2b equals to 14. 2b is what? 14 minus 8, which is 6. b is 6 divided by 2, which is what? 3. So we're done. A is 2, b is 3, and c is what? 1. So what's the value of a plus b plus c? 2 plus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. The value of a plus b is what? 6. All right. and that's how you solve this question. If you found value from this video, please make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, and also share this video with your friends, your classmates who may need help with solving a question like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you in day 15.